Unveiled, how Google tracks Android users even before they open an app. Ever wonder what your Android device is up to the moment you turn it on? It turns out, Google might be starting its data collection long before you tap on any app. Imagine installing your phone, powering it up for the first time, and unknowingly setting off a whole chain of tracking mechanisms, without your consent or even awareness. Research from a top academic at Trinity College Dublin reveals that Android users' devices are quietly building profiles with advertising cookies and various identifiers right from the moment they switch on. These tools operate behind the scenes, relaying data straight back to Google via pre-installed apps like Google Play Services and the Google Play Store. No need to open a single app first. One key player in this unseen tracking game is the DSID cookie, designed by Google to recognize signed-in users on non-Google websites for personalized ads. This cookie appears just after you log into your Google account during the device's startup process, linking your activity to your account, lasting for 2 weeks. Despite Google's explanations that these cookies enhance user experience, the research points out a major gap: no permission is asked, and there's no option to opt out. Leith's investigation also uncovers another persistent tracker, the Google Android ID. Created after your first connection to the device via Google Play Services, this identifier continues to send information to Google even after you log out. Only a full factory reset will wipe it clean, raising questions about privacy practices. The researcher notes a Google developer's comment acknowledging that this ID is considered personally identifiable information, PI, which could invoke privacy laws like GDPR. Beyond these, the paper details a variety of other trackers and identifiers embedded in Android systems, most without user approval. Many of these could even be seen as breaching data protection laws. Google was approached for comment before the report was published. Their response? A vague statement emphasizing that user privacy is a priority, but refusing to comment on the legal implications or any planned changes to their tracking methods. Adding more fuel to the privacy debate, Google's recent Android update introduced SafetyCore, a tool that scans images sent and received on the device for explicit content. While Google claims the classification happens solely on your device and isn't shared, users are clearly unhappy, especially since you can't opt out of its installation. The app appears silently on devices, and some users report being unable to disable it, with many reviews calling it spyware for its without consent installation. All of this has stirred up frustration among Android users, who feel their right to privacy is being sidelined by corporate interests. The controversy keeps growing, with shared stories of uninstalling or disabling SafetyCore, only to see it reappear with updates. It's a wake-up for anyone who thought smartphones only did what they were intended. Sometimes, they're doing a lot more beneath the surface, all unbeknownst to you.